Here's an example of how successful our version of lean can be.
So we at Clayton Homes were able to partner with the University of Tennessee's industrial engineering team and find new ways to measure and improve what we do every day, building homes for deserving families.
By working on the process, by dialing it down and improving the process, workers go home happier. They're not as tired. The first platform that we started with in the floor jig area, there's a lot of processes going on there. Lots and lots of things going on in a small space. One of the data collection items was a Fitbit, and they tracked every step of every person from 7 o'clock that morning, our start time, to 3:30 that afternoon. We recorded that in a database, and then we proposed the new processes. It went down dramatically, like 30–40% in some cases, thousands of steps, and miles even, inside a facility that they were walking.
So these lean initiatives dovetail nicely with our goals as an organization to help make work easier, faster, more efficient, and much more satisfying.
The UT Lean model has been tested and validated in industry. Clayton Homes is just one of the examples. If you would like the opportunity to increase your skill set, then join us. It'll be a game changer.